Every Canada Day, you'll find these all over festivals and fairgrounds. But today, I'm going to show you how to make them right in your own kitchen. Let's get started. For the dough, you will need all-purpose flour, milk, water, butter, sugar, instant yeast, salt, and an egg. For the toppings, you'll need lemon, sugar, ground cinnamon, and butter. Into a bowl, add 1 3/4 cup of warm water, anywhere between 110 Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. A 1/4 cup of warm milk, a 1/4 cup or 50 grams of white sugar, 1 tablespoon or 9.5 grams instant yeast. Give it a quick stir. Now, let it bloom for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the yeast is bloomed, add in 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter, 1 large egg, now, give it a stir to break up the butter and eggs. 1.5 teaspoon or 9 grams of salt. And finally, 5 cups or 600 grams all-purpose flour. You can always add in more if the dough is too sticky to work with. Just add in 1 tablespoon at a time if that's the case. Mix until a soft, slightly sticky dough starts to form. This took me about 7 minutes by hand. Sprinkle some flour on your countertop. Now, let's turn out the dough onto the table. Use a spatula to get out the remaining dough. Sprinkle some flour over the dough. We're going to knead this for 8 to 10 minutes by hand, or until it's smooth and elastic. Once that's all done, grab your bowl and give it a spray with some oil. Transfer the dough into a bowl and let's cover it with some cling film. Let the dough rise for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. It's been just over an hour, and it's more than doubled in size. Punch down the dough and turn it out onto the cutting board. A little more flour to prevent any sticking. Roll the dough into a log shape. Now, cut the log into 12 pieces, or if you want mini beaver tails, cut them into 18 pieces. Roll the dough into balls and set them aside. let's mix the toppings. In a pan, add 1 cup granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons ground cinnamon. Mix it together and set it aside while we shape the dough. Stretch the dough into a flat oval shape using your hands. If you have a rolling pin, you can use that as well. Just make sure to flour it, since it's a sticky dough. Time to fry them up. Fill a pan with oil until it's about 1 inch deep and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip your dough into the oil while swaying it back and forth before fully submerging it. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes each side, or until a golden brown color has been achieved. This is looking done. Let's transfer it to a paper towel lined tray to drain. For a traditional beaver tail, brush on some melted butter. Don't forget to get both sides. Dip it into the cinnamon sugar, and using a spoon, get into every nook and cranny. Now for a bonus. If you want something a little extra sweet, try a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup inspired beaver tail. Start with your melted butter. Next, some roasted peanut butter. And lastly, some mini dark chocolate chips. And that is how you make homemade beaver tails, just like the ones you get at the fair, but cheaper and honestly, even better. If this brought back memories, or maybe gave you a taste of something new, let me know down below what your favorite toppings are. If you're looking for more easy budget-friendly recipes, click here for some that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.